I'm just walking. I've been walking all around. I'm so tired. Let me keep my mouth closed so I get all the way down there. Let me keep walking. It better not be no gunshots in this city. Hell no. I'm just joking with y'all, my YouTubers. It's just the fireworks. It's pretty sure it's gonna blow up in 2 seconds. 2, 1, 0. I mean 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. If I start blowing up in a second, be walking. I'm here. I'm back. Whew. Whew. This is gonna be walking. I'm breathing. That was a good ass walk. This we gonna do every year, DonTrell. Trails. Hey yo, get YouTube a thumbs up. Holla at your boy. I'm gone.